How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings, back with another brand new F-150. This particular model, 2020, featuring our mini thin amber white LED strobe light right there in the grill. Now, if you'd like some information about this build, be sure to check the Read More section or Show More section below for links to all of these products individually and as a group. If you'd like to buy all these parts as a package, we do have a parts kit for this truck. In the rear of the truck, we're using our LED HAW Duo in a low dome up in the cargo and the reverse. We synchronized the front mini thin amber whites together on a fast triple flash alternation. You can see here how we were able to mount those mini thins behind the OEM grill. So if you have one of these square style grills with the cutouts, you might be able to use the same location and mount your mini thins. You can see there how we mounted them. There's a nice flat spot of factory plastic right behind the grill there. You are able to drill through and get the wiring very easily right to the back side of the grill underneath the shroud that goes over the top of the radiator. There's your straight on shot. Now, this particular piece of plastic is slightly angled, so we put an 1/8 inch ABS shim underneath the bottom of the light just to bring it up a little bit so it wasn't angled as much. You can do this if you like as well. Very easy to do. As you can see here, these mini thins really do pack a punch. We can put the ISO back to auto, and it'll show you exactly what they're going to look like there. Still get plenty of visibility, about 45 degrees off the front of the truck here. Camera's about 12 feet back from the front tire. All right, let's show you around the back. Alrighty, around the back of the truck, as you can see, we did use our LED HAW Duo in white. This was by request of the customer, wanted maximum visibility. I also synchronized these particular four to go passenger driver. Just wanted to do it this way, add a little bit more pop to the flashing and the alternation. This way, as you get back further away in a more high-speed environment, you can see a little bit more of this alternation, hopefully. That was the goal. Now, of course, as you can see, we did not lose our OEM halogen cargo function. I have a video that explains nicely in our DIY section how to put a hideaway light in one of these style third brake lights with the OEM incandescent bulb. This is not a factory LED, which you'll be able to tell by the two bright white LEDs in the factory LED option. This is the lower trim line, and you are able to relocate and preserve the cargo light bulb as well as a hideaway install. As you can see there, we have our door open, our cargo light illuminated, and our strobe lights working. No loss of factory function at all. Same thing with the reverse. The hideaway goes next to it from the side, does not affect the reverse light bulb at all, one bit. This is a very easy install. I would give this about a 4 or 5 on a difficulty scale of 1 to 10. Something very easily done and achieved by the medium level installer. Here in the cab of the truck, we've used our very popular spot right here for our 3/4 flush mount switch. We just chose a full illumination green for this particular one. I kind of like how that lights up nicely there inside the cab of the truck. We ran our power and our ground directly to the battery, customer request. So we have a 5 amp fuse on this entire system. And this is key off anytime activation. As I said, as it is ran to the battery by the client's request. You could also run your power from the 12 volt accessory here. You can grab power from behind that 12 volt cigarette accessory, and that will give you a key on retained accessory power for your lights. So if you prefer key on and that retained accessory power circuit, you can grab there, or you can go directly to the battery as we have. Again, thanks for watching Wicked Warnings. We're your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, trucks, buses, SUVs, bicycles, tricycles, unicycles, whatever needs a light, we got it covered. And be sure to check the description for links to all of the products in this video. And if you have any questions, give us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Reference the build number of this video if you have questions pertaining to this video. Thank you much. See you on the next video.